She takes a shopping cart near the entrance. She takes a shopping cart near the entrance. The cart is clean and easy to push. The cart is clean and easy to push.
I look around and see many products. I look around and see many products.
The fruit section looks fresh and colorful. The fruit section looks fresh and colorful. She picks some red apples from the shelf. The apples look sweet and juicy. The apples look sweet and juicy. I choose some bananas and put them in the cart. I choose some bananas and put them in the cart. The girl walks to the vegetable section. The girl walks to the vegetable section. The carrots are long and very clean. The carrots are long and very clean. I pick a few carrots for dinner. I pick a few carrots for dinner. The cucumbers are long and green. The cucumbers are long and green. I choose 2 cucumbers for a salad. I choose 2 cucumbers for a salad. Let me check the price carefully. Let me check the price carefully. The meat looks fresh and well packed. The meat looks fresh and well packed. I choose some chicken for cooking. I choose some chicken for cooking.
The chicken is placed in a cold fridge. The chicken is placed in a cold fridge.
The girl takes a small pack of beef. The girl takes a small pack of beef. The beef looks fresh and clean. The beef looks fresh and clean. She walks to the dairy section. She walks to the dairy section. The milk bottles are in the refrigerator. The milk bottles are in the refrigerator. I take a bottle of fresh milk. I take a bottle of fresh milk. The milk is cold and looks good. The milk is cold and looks good. The girl picks some yogurt from the shelf. The yogurt comes in many flavors. The yogurt comes in many flavors. I choose strawberry yogurt. I choose strawberry yogurt. The cheese is next to the milk. The cheese is next to the milk. She takes a small pack of cheese. She takes a small pack of cheese.
The butter is soft and yellow. The butter is soft and yellow.
I put butter into my cart. I put butter into my cart.
The girl walks to the snack section. The girl walks to the snack section.
The chips are in colorful bags. The chips are in colorful bags. She picks a bag of potato chips. She picks a bag of potato chips. The cookies look sweet and tasty. The cookies look sweet and tasty. I take a box of chocolate cookies. I take a box of chocolate cookies. The candy section is full of bright colors. The candy section is full of bright colors. She buys some candy for her family. She buys some candy for her family. The drinks are in the next aisle. The drinks are in the next aisle. I choose a bottle of orange juice. I choose a bottle of orange juice. The juice is fresh and cold. The juice is fresh and cold. The girl takes a bottle of water. The girl takes a bottle of water. The water is clear and clean. The water is clear and clean. The bread smells fresh and warm on the shelf. The bread smells fresh and warm on the shelf. I pick a loaf of soft and fresh bread. I pick a loaf of soft and fresh bread. The bread is still fresh and safe to eat. The bread is still fresh and safe to eat. The cart is getting full with many items now. I walk slowly to the frozen food section. The frozen food area feels very cold inside. The frozen food area feels very cold inside. The girl takes a pack of frozen vegetables. The girl takes a pack of frozen vegetables. The vegetables are easy and quick to cook. The vegetables are easy and quick to cook. I choose a small box of vanilla ice cream. I choose a small box of vanilla ice cream. The items inside the bags are fresh and good. The items inside the bags are fresh and good. She does not forget anything on her shopping list. The list helps me remember what to buy. The list helps me remember what to buy. The girl feels happy while she is shopping. The girl feels happy while she is shopping. The supermarket is clean and very well organized. The supermarket is clean and very well organized. She walks slowly to the checkout counter. She walks slowly to the checkout counter. I put all the items on the counter. I put all the items on the counter. I take out my wallet to make the payment. The payment process is fast and very easy. Great! The payment process is fast and very easy. Perfect! She puts the receipts safely into her bag. I pack all the items into plastic bags.
Of course.
Pack all the items into plastic bags.
No problem at all.
The plastic bags are strong and quite large. The plastic bags are strong and quite large. She plans to cook a delicious meal at home. She plans to cook a delicious meal at home. I carry the heavy bags carefully in my hands. I carry the heavy bags carefully in my hands. The supermarket door opens automatically for her. The girl walks out of the supermarket slowly. I check all the bags again outside the store. I sit down and relax for a short moment. I sit down and relax for a short moment. The shopping trip today is very successful and easy. The girl drives home safely after shopping. The girl drives home safely after shopping. I enjoy this simple and relaxing shopping experience. I enjoy this simple and relaxing shopping experience.